Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to wire a light switch in your home. It's a simple DIY project that can make a big difference in any room. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Make sure the power is off at the breaker box to avoid any shocks. Now let's talk about the tools and materials you'll need. A screwdriver, wire strippers, a voltage tester, and of course your new light switch. Once you've gathered your tools, remove the faceplate from the old switch and test the wires with your voltage tester to double check that the power is indeed off. Now you'll see three types of wires. The hot wire, usually black or red, carries the power to the switch. The neutral wire, typically white, completes the circuit back to your electrical panel. And finally, the ground wire, which is either green or bare copper, is there for safety, diverting any stray currents away from you and back to the ground. Unscrew the old switch and carefully detach the wires. Take your new switch and connect the ground wire first. It's crucial for safety. Next, connect the hot wire to the brass screw and the neutral wire to the silver screw on your new switch. Make sure the connections are tight and secure with your screwdriver. Before you put everything back together, it's a good idea to turn the power back on and test the switch to see if it works. If it lights up, you've done it right. Turn the power back off. Secure the switch in the wall box, screw on the faceplate, and then restore power for good. And that's it. You've successfully wired a light switch. This little project not only adds convenience, but also gives you the satisfaction of having done it yourself. Remember, understanding your home's electrical system can be empowering and can save you money on simple fixes. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to stay safe and have fun with your DIY projects. See you next time.